What is up, YouTube? So I just wanted to do a quick view of the channel lock 911 wire cutters. Anytime you're working with some big wiring like this, you gotta have something like these. So I only have one hand available, so I kind of wanted to show you guys the type of clean cut these make, because the wire came like this out of the box, and the 911s did this. So they're guaranteed for life if you don't try to sharpen them yourself, and they're half the price of the Kleins. Maybe if I was working every day and I was cutting wire like this every day, I would spend the extra money on the Kleins, but lifetime guarantee. It cuts through that 2/0 like butter, and I'm sure I can probably do this one with one hand. I'm sure it'll cut through this 4-gauge. Actually get it in there. Sure, it'll cut through this 4-gauge like it's nothing. So, alright guys, you know what to do. Like, share, favorite, hit that subscribe button. You want to pick some of these up? They're 15 bucks on Amazon. Channel lock 911s, guaranteed for life. Great price. If you're Prime, you get them in 2 days. If you get something over $35, you get them in 1 day. So, alright guys, like, share, favorite, hit that subscribe button. Questions, comments, throw them in the section below. Be safe out there, and I'll see you on the next one.